Hello everyone, you're welcome to Divine Offspring Virtual Classroom. And in this segment, we'll be taking a look at science. We welcome you back to our online class after the short break. I assure you that you are in for something great today. Today's topic is magnets. And in this lesson, you will learn what a magnet is. We will also explore the history of magnets. And you will learn the poles of a magnet. In order to benefit maximally from this lesson, you will need a sharp pencil or pen, a book, and will also need your maximum concentration. Now, let's take a look at our star words for today's lesson. We have attract, lodestone, metal, repel, poles, and iron. Before we continue, let's take a short quiz to check your understanding on magnets. Okay, the questions are on fun facts about magnets. 1. The ends of a compass needle always points towards one direction. Why? Why is it that anything that goes up must come down? Cranes use huge to pick up scrap metals in junkyards. Now, you may need to pause the video in order to complete the quiz above using your exercise book. Once you're done, you can continue with the video. Now, let's check why you mark your work by yourself. The end of a compass needle is made from a magnet, and it is always attracted to the north of the earth. Anything that goes up comes down because the earth acts like a magnet. Cranes use huge magnets to pick up scrap metals in junkyards. So how did you fare? Okay, now let's take a look at some facts about magnets. Do you know that farmers allow their cows to swallow magnets to prevent hardware diseases in the internal parts of the cows? Also, engineers use magnets to manufacture the door of your refrigerator so it can close easily. The earth has a magnet which acts as force of gravity. Now, so the business of today, what is a magnet? A magnet is a piece of metal that has the power to draw iron or steel objects towards it and to hold or move them. Take a look at the images down here. We have the first one of a magnet being attracted to metal nails. We also have two children trying to attract metal cutlery to a magnet. Okay, let's take a look at a brief history of magnets. A magnetic rock called lodestone was first discovered in Magnesia, Turkey. This material contains iron. When objects made of iron or steel are brought close, they are attracted. Lodestone has natural magnets. Now you can see the picture of lodestones. They are rocks, but they contain magnets. Now, the two poles of a magnet are the North Pole and the South Pole. You always find this in all kinds of magnets, whether it is a bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, or ring magnet. Now, let's take a look at these diagrams. Unlike poles attract, you can see in the first diagram, N stands for north, S for south. So N and S, the north and south, will attract. In the second diagram, the North Pole and the North Pole, they will repel because they are like. Then we have the last one, south and south. Since they are the same, they will repel. So like poles repel, while unlike poles attract. That is one rule about magnets. Let's test your knowledge on magnets now. Decide whether it will repel or attract. Take a look at the diagram carefully. We have A, B, and C. So, take a pause as you fill in your answers. So you have diagram A, you have north and south. In diagram B, you have north and north. And in C, you have south and north. Okay, I guess you're done by now. So, from me, it's bye. See you next time.